This is the 10 Violet hair color with a violet booster at 5 weeks. Next week, we're going to give her a bleach touch-up. So in this appointment, I'm going to try out this new K18 molecular mending treatment. It starts with the Peptide Prep shampoo. It's a 4-part system. For this client's hair, we only need the 3 parts: the shampoo, the professional mist, and the professional mask. Now, the application is different. You layer the mist and the mask on top of each other, and you wait approximately 4 minutes between each application, and you don't rinse them out. You go in and you blow dry and you flat iron. I've already sprayed the hair with the mist, and now I'm going in with the professional molecular mask. The way you apply it is you emulsify the product in your hand, right? Emulsify. Rub your hands together really, really fast, and you see how the product spreads. And then you take that and you just apply it to the hair. You wait 4 minutes. And in this situation, I just went in and I sculpted and I molded. I didn't use any other product. I wanted to see how this molecular mending treatment worked. And I loved it. You can feel that there's something on the hair. The hair feels fuller, it feels thicker, it feels softer and stronger at the same time. It's kind of like a combination of the Olaplex number 1 and 2 and keratin already mixed together. I love the product because they have so many recipes. You can use it before hair color, before bleach, after bleach, during bleach, before relaxer, after relaxer. It's an amazing product. Even though they said the shampoo would not lift the hair color, I think it has. Look, this was the before hair color. And this is the after hair color. It isn't a major difference, but it did lift the toner that was on the hair. I know now if I'm going to use this treatment, I'm going to do it before the hair color or at the end of the hair color when it's time for a touch-up. This is the same hair color 5 weeks ago. I used a 10 Violet Demi Permanent as a toner, and I added another Violet booster to just give us some extra kick. And this is her hair at 5 weeks out. Her hair is really fine, and she can't use anything that's too heavy to weigh her hair down. So she uses our Nourishing Lipid Serum in between appointments. And I use it on everything. I usually finish just about every client with our Nourishing Lipid Serums. I put it in our hair color formula. I apply it to the hair before I do a relaxer. It's an amazing product. 100% organic. You could buy it on our platform at beautywellnesshaircare.com.